Hello everyone, I'm going to just do a short video to give you the measurements of a box that I made for my double stepper card. You'll find a tutorial for this stepper card on another video. As you can see, it is too big for an envelope, so it certainly needed a box. So for the box you're going to need 12 by 12 card. Cut a sheet of 12 by 12 card down to 21 centimeters, and on the longest side score at 2 centimeters. And that's the edges of our box. Now we need to extend this because we can't fold this over because it would be too small for our card. So next you need to cut two pieces, and these measure 4 centimeters by 21 centimeters, and score these straight down the middle at 2 centimeters, and then turn them around along the shortest edge, score 2 centimeters. Do that on both pieces. Just pop that away. Now on these two pieces we just need to cut our tabs. So cut 2 squares out either side. And then the squares that are left, just cut those slightly to form a smaller tab. Then fold your score lines. That's one. Do exactly the same to the second piece. Don't tell anybody, those pieces just went on the floor, but we'll keep that as our secret. So, oops, and just so these two just fit inside there, just to make the edges of our box. So here's one. Here's one that I glued down earlier. So your best bet is to glue this part down first, leaving these, and just what I do is fold that over just so I can make sure it's a straight edge, and then we can fold our tabs down. Going to put a couple of paper clips on just while that dries. I think I've used that paper clip a few times. It's bent. So the part we're doing at the moment is the bottom of our box. place. Just getting glue everywhere. So that's the bottom of our box. I've got one that I've already made that's nice and dry. So bottom of our box, and then we'll just bring our card in, and as you can see it fits perfectly into there. So the next we need to make our lid. Again, this piece of card, it measures 21.5 centimeters, and the two pieces to extend, well, to make the edge of our box, these are both 4 centimeters by 21.5 centimeters. So this one I've already scored. We'll just attach, just show you what I mean, just so it makes it easier to glue. So attach glue, or if you prefer tape, to the bottom part. I do prefer glue because you can move it around, and then just bend those ends over, and that way you can move them into place. And then you get a nice smooth edge to form your box. And I'm just going to add just a couple of paper clips to hold that into place. And then exactly the same with the next side. Up slightly, just put it back. So I would just let those parts dry first, and when that part is dried, then just attach glue to your tabs. So we're just going to, so this is the top of the box when made. As you can see, I've also decorated this with the matching insert and colour card from the Christmas Buddies collection. So my colour card on the box, keep it the length of the A4 size, and then I've cut it down to 16.5 centimeters. I've then used an insert, and the insert I've cut down to 16 centimeters, and the length is 29 centimeters. You could always leave it there and then just write on the box if you like, but then I've wanted to add more to it. So I've added this strip here. Now this strip, the colour card measures 16.5 centimeters by 6 centimeters. White card, again, it all matches on the top, so that's 16.5 centimeters to 5.5 centimeters. And the paper is 16.5 centimeters to 5 centimeters. So it all slightly layers up really nicely, and I've attached that to the front. And then I've also decided to add a topper. Now with the topper, the colour card measures 9 centimeters by 9 centimeters. Then the white card I've used is 8.5 centimeters by 8.5 centimeters, and then I've added a topper. And this has also been added. You can see a little bit where it's raised there. I've also added that with foam pads. So as you can see, the lid fits really nicely onto our bottom base. And then when you give that to someone, they've got a gorgeous box and also a gorgeous card to go with it.